Hello students, in the earlier class you have seen that some properties of cyclic group. Here is third property. A cyclic group of order n has phi of n generators. Here order n means the number of elements present in that group. And phi of n is a Euler function and it is given by phi of n is equals to n into 1 minus 1 by p1 into 1 minus 1 by p2 and so on up to 1 minus 1 by pk, where p1, p2, p3 and so on pk are the prime factors. By using this property we solve some problems. On the basis of third property of the cyclic group, these type of example will be asked in the exam. These are most asked examples. Okay, so let us see the first example. Find the number of generator of the cyclic group of order 60. Okay, so let us see the solution. Here given that order is 60, that is order of G is 60. The number of elements present in the group G is 60. Okay, now we have to represent it this 60 in terms of prime numbers. Okay, so 60 can be written as, by using least prime number, that is 2, it can be written as 2 into 30 equals to 60. Again we can write 2 into 15 equals to 30. Now we divide by factor 3, that is 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Therefore 60 can be written as 2 power, so 2 occurs 2 times, 2 power 2, 3 power 1 and 5 power 1. The formula is given by phi of n equals to n into 1 minus 1 by p1, 1 by p2 into 1 by p3 and so on up to, we have to take 1 by pk, but in this case we have only 3 prime factors, that is 2. We have to treat this as p1, p2 and this one is p3. Therefore I will write the formula this much only. So because it has 3 prime numbers, I will write p1, p2 and p3, or in generally if you want to write, in generally write 1 minus 1 by pk. Okay, this is the formula. Now n is given by, it is 60, 1 minus first prime number is, you can take any one as a p1, p2 and p3. So 1 minus 1 by 3 and 1 minus 1 by 5. On simplifying this we get 60 into 2 minus 1 equals to 1 by 2, 3 minus 1 equals to, so on simplifying this we get 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3, 5 into 1 equals to 5 minus 1 equals to 4, 4 by 5. On further simplifying you will get 2 to get cancels. Okay, 3 1s are 3 2s are 5 1s are 5 4s are 4 into 4 equals to 16. So therefore phi of 60, so here I will write phi of 60. Phi of 60 is equals to 16. Therefore G has 16 generators. That's it. Okay, once again I will explain. First we have to write the order of G. Okay, here order of G is given by 60. Sorry, order of G is given by 60. Next 60 can be expressed in terms of prime factors as 2 power 2, 3 power 1 and 5 power 1. Okay, by using this division. Then take 2 as a prime number 1, that is P1, P2 and phi as a P3. So this is the formula of phi of an Euler's function. Therefore phi of 60 can be written as 60, n is equals to 60, 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 5. Therefore this on simplifying this we get 16. Therefore G has 16. Simplifying this we get 16. Therefore G has 16 generators. Okay. Next, second example. Find the number of generators of cyclic group. G is given by A square, A cube, A power 4, A power 5 and A power 6. So cyclic group, this cyclic group G has total 6 elements. Okay. So therefore, so here order of G is equals to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are there. Therefore order of G is equals to 6, that is n is equals to 6. Now we have to represent this 6 by prime factors. Therefore we use this division. The first prime factor, least prime factor is 2. So therefore 2 3 are 6, and this 3 can be factorized as 3 ones. Therefore 6 is written as 2 power 1 and 3 power 1. Therefore this 6 can be written as 2 power 1, 3 power 1. So this one is first prime number and this is second prime number. So now we have the formula of phi of n. Once again you write the formula, n into 1 minus 1 by P1, 1 minus P2 up to 1 minus 1 by Pk. Okay. So here n is given by 6, 1 minus first prime number is 2, 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3. Further simplifying we get 6 into 1 by 2, next 2 by 3. So these two get cancelled. 6, 2 into 3 is equals to 6, 6 get cancels, we get 2. Therefore G has 2 generators. Okay. Now you got the point. The number of generators can be found out by using phi of n. So see once again, order of G, here G is directly given by set. Therefore we have to count the number of elements, that will be the order of the G, that is n equals to 6. Therefore 6 can be factorized as this step. So 6 is equals to 2 power 1 and 3 power into 3 power 1. This is the formula. Therefore phi of 6 can be written as 6 into 1 by 1 minus 2, 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equals to 6 into 1 by 2 into, on simplifying this, 2 by 3, 6 get cancels, we get 2. Therefore G has 2, 6 get cancels, we get 2. G has 2 generators. So next, third example. Find the number of generators of cyclic group G of order 8. Given that n equals to 8, therefore 8 can be factorized as 2 cube. Okay. Therefore 8 equals to 2 cube. Here only one prime number is there. Therefore phi of 8 can be written as 8 into 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by P1, that is 1 by 2. On simplifying we get 8 into 1 by 2, which is equals to 4. Therefore G has 4 generators. So by using same method you find out the number of generator in this group G. G equals to 1 minus 1 I minus I. You have already seen that there exists two generators I and minus I in the starting examples only. So by using formula again you will get 2 generators. Okay, you try yourself by using formula phi of n. So next, in this case we have one generator, that is omega. You saw in the examples of cyclic group. Okay, by using formula you will get 1 only, that is, so you try in the try by using this method. Okay, you will get 1 generator. Okay, hope you understand these examples. Thank you.